Here's how to fix internet not working quickly. Step 1. Reset network settings. Press Windows plus I to open Settings, then click Network and Internet. In the left menu, select Status, then scroll down and click Network Reset. Click Reset Now and confirm. Your PC will automatically restart and restore all network settings to default, which can resolve most connection issues. Step 2. Check for Windows updates. Press Windows plus I, then go to Windows Update. Click Check for Updates. Windows will search for available updates and automatically download them. If updates require a restart, click Restart Now to apply them. Installing updates can fix bugs affecting your network performance. Following these 2 steps should restore your internet connection and improve Windows performance. Subscribe for more professional Windows fixes.